questions asking about the surface area of a cuboid. What's a cuboid? A cuboid is a box having the opposite sides being equal. For example, this diagram demonstrates a cuboid. We draw like this, like this, like this, and like this. Then we draw like this, and like this, and like that. Then we join it together. We join there, we join there, we join there, and we join there. You see, this object, this side and the back side are equal. This side and the opposite side, they are equal. This base side and the top side, they are equal. Thus, when calculating the surface area of a cuboid, this is a cuboid. This is a cuboid. Calculating the surface area of a cuboid, you will calculate the area of the base or the top. You multiply by 2, you add to the opposite sides. You calculate the area of this side, you multiply by 2, and then you calculate the area of this side and the back. You multiply, yes, you calculate the area of the back and you multiply by 2, then you add all those together. Yes. And I had an example of a cuboid. Let me check. Let me check. Yes, here it is. The question reads, calculate the surface area of an open cuboid which is 12 centimeter long. So it's 12 centimeter long, 8 centimeter wide, 8 centimeter wide, and 6 centimeter high, 6 centimeter high. And this cuboid of ours, it's open. So at the top there is nothing. So how do we then go about it? And remember, in our previous example about the cylinder, I've told you to some questions they specify that the object was closed or open. Like in this case, they have specified that the cuboid was open. So how do we calculate the area? It's very simple. Playing with numbers. We have the measurements of the base. We have the measurements of the front and of the sides. So it makes it very simple because the shape of this object, it's a rectangular shaped object. So we've said earlier how to calculate the area of a rectangle. It's length times width. So how do we calculate the surface area? It's very simple. It's length times width, which is 8 multiplied by 12. And because it's open at the top, yes, the cuboid is open at the top, we shall not multiply this by 2, but it shall remain only the base area we are calculating. Then for the sides, it's 8 multiplied by height, which is 6, and then multiplied by 2 because it's both sides. Then front and behind, which gives us 12 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 2. Then you add all this together, and that is the surface area of the cuboid. Then there is also another shape called cube. A cube, I've said, it's a box with all the sides equal. So that makes it very easy. Its shape is like this, but all these sides are equal. So the measurements will be all equal. And if they are all equal, it makes it very easy to calculate the surface area, because you will calculate the area of the squares, because a cube is made up of sides of squares, right? So you shall calculate the area of squares, then you add, yes, and if you add, you get the surface area of the cube. So in this topic or subtopic, we have covered 3 main objects that are mostly examined: a cylinder, a cube, and a cuboid. And I know you'll practice with the examples that we've tackled here. So from there is another subtopic about body mass, use of body mass. And what's the meaning of body mass? Body mass. So B stands for brackets, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for